Every single motion graphic you're watching right now, made entirely with AI. And I'm about to give you the exact 3-step roadmap to make it yourself. Now, first step is open Pinterest and go and search for minimal edit. Here you can find example of what you want to make. Okay, don't worry, you can make more with just one example. Now I am downloading them with my browser in build downloader. Okay, you can use extension like video downloader by Cooley. Okay, now just download it. Now open Gemini, you can use any other AI. Now just paste this prompt, which I will tell you how to get this prompt. Okay, now give Gemini your video reference so Gemini can see it. Now Gemini will give you full analyze of your video, and in last 10th point it will give you a master prompt. Just copy it and paste in Flow. Now open Google Flow and paste your video prompt and it will generate the whole video itself. And now just see
Focus on acquiring properties at the HOA foreclosure. Single-family rentals almost never cash flow like they promise. But smart investors use a niche acquisition strategy. They focus
how good it makes the video, and I did the same with another video. See, there's no watermark on of Gemini. I'm also going to tell you about it. No click to your profile icon. Go down here, you can see visible watermark. I turned it off. It might turn on your phone. Turn it off and your video is ready without watermark, and now the prompt is here.